MSC Hospitality recently hosted MSC Spring Open House. Designed as a student involvement fair, MSC Spring Open House brought together more than 300 student clubs and organizations from around campus. Sarah Benton and Elijah Upchurch, members of Fade to Black, a hip-hop dance organization on campus, expressed that MSC Open House is a great way to hear about all the organizations on campus.
You're going to find most of your organizations probably at MSC Open House.
Yeah, definitely.
I know that this organization that we're in right now, we found at Open House. Any other organization I've ever been in, most of the time you're going to find it at Open House, or you're going to find it from a friend who found it at Open House.
Yes.
So, and then as organizations too, I know that we get 70% of our people from Open House. So, I mean, it's good. It's good for both sides, man.
MSC Open House Director Caitlin Simmons shares that MSC Open House allowed her to find her home at Texas A&M.
Attended open house in the fall of my freshman year and got a ton of flyers and brought them back to my dorm and found some that I was really interested in and found their informationals and then found MSC Hospitality, which I now call home.
Open House attendees Abby Martin and Victoria Hutchison were looking for new ways to get involved and feel Open House is a great way to network.
They're important for students at A&M so that you can get involved on campus and build your Aggie network.
And it's also really good to find clubs that you never knew existed. I found out about a lot of things that I had no idea we had here. We have everything. It's kind of amazing.
Geography Society officers Megan Tennille and Heather Swinton give insight into what MSC Open House did for them.
It really shaped my freshman year more than anything. I was looking at flows, and so I tried to figure out all those different kind of things, and I didn't realize the flows actually weren't in Open House. They had their own little things, so that was an experience. And then found Geography Society through here, and that's changed the last 2 years of my time here, and now I'm an officer, so it's been really fun.
I didn't actually come in as a freshman. I was a transfer student, so I had nobody. So going to open house, it was incredible to not only meet people, but I also found the Geography Society, and now I'm president, and I have friends, and they're all in my classes, so it's incredible.
MSC Open House occurs every fall and spring semester and is open to all Texas A&M students and recognized organizations.